How to get the command that invoked a task with tasklist. The Windows Task Manager has a column labeled command line that shows the command that started the given task, with all the switches and parameters, for example. Now I have to identify a certain task that is listening on a certain port and or was called with a certain switch combination. My aim is to close the selected task, but not others, so if there are multiple test.x tasks running, I cannot simply close all tasks returned by. Unfortunately, it seems like neither tasklist nor slist, here, is able to return the command line field. How can I overcome this problem?
How about this one? And if you do this, you also get the processor to kill. Winvoke also has a switch to output to CSV. So, note, if you get an error with the last one, invalid XSL format, or file name, you need to copy csv.xml from %vinda%system32/wum/ns to %vinda%system32/wum. You can read about this bug here. You could also use PowerShell.
In Windows 11, at least, the top answer above did not work, as there is no caption column in with process output, so there was no result found. And yes, I realize winvoke is deprecated in Windows 11. It does still work. Instead, there are indeed other columns you could use for that where clause, and they are available with winvoke process list ? Among those are of course name, for the process name, and that processed, for the PID mentioned above, so this worked for me instead. Winvoke process where name equals test.xget command line, processed. One more thing, I found I had to be running an elevated command prompt, as admin, to see the command line. Otherwise the output showed the command line as empty.
PowerShell 7.